Alright guys, we're out in the garage today, and if you're looking for a smart air conditioner, we got the GE 10,000 BTU smart air conditioner that I'm going to be reviewing today, and this is going to be the second season that I'm using it. So that way I made sure I give you guys a really good, thorough review. So stay tuned. Crazy Will here from Crazy Will's Tech Show. Today, we're out in the garage because it's that time of year where we gotta take the air conditioner unit out. Now, if you guys remember, 4 years ago, I did a review on a smart air conditioner, the Frigidaire smart air conditioner, and it didn't work out very well for me. So last year, in the middle of the season, I changed out my air conditioner because I just got tired of that Frigidaire. It just wasn't working out. You guys can see that review here, and then you can see my disappointing review here after only having it for a year. So I wanted to make sure that this time I got it right for you guys and picked the correct air conditioner unit for you. And it's a GE 10,000 BTU Smart. This air conditioner was bought with my own money, and after using it last season, I was really pleased with it. And you guys have been asking, hey, what smart air conditioner would you recommend? What smart air conditioner recommend? Well, this is the one that I'm going to recommend. So far, love it. I'm gonna pull it out here today and we'll get started. It's a biggin'. It's a biggin'. Put this off to the side. Now for the winter, I store my air conditioner units in the garage. That's why we're out here today. Got my trusty wheelbarrow over here. I'm gonna grab that unit and put it in there. And it is a pretty heavy unit. I believe it's 45 pounds. I'll put the real measurement right here. Double check for you guys. Don't you worry about that. Alright, so unfortunately it only has a model number. It doesn't have an actual name for the air conditioner unit. I will find the link for you and I'll put it down in the description for any of you guys who want to buy it. It does nothing for me. I'm just sharing with you guys, and I don't have affiliate links. I don't have anything like that. So let's get this bad boy installed and I'll go more through of what this bad boy can do. Are in my living room. The unit's in my bigger window now, not in the kitchen like it was before. This is a 10,000 BTU unit, so it's a lot bigger. The price for this unit, you're looking around $400. Now you can find deals on this unit where I've seen it as low as like $3 and change, like $360, around that price point, but it is a 10,000 BTU unit, so you are kind of getting what you pay for. Now 10,000 works a lot better in this. That other unit, the Frigidaire, did not work that well, and it is getting this whole entire space, and I'll show you a quick view of the whole entire space. It's the kitchen and the living room, and it is cooling it all off, and it's even getting part of the bathroom. Now, I live in a very small house, so we do use window AC units, probably 7 months out of the year because I'm in North Carolina. So it's doing a pretty good job, I think. This is going to be the second season that I'm using it. I did it on the first season. I didn't want to do a review on it. I wanted to test it because last time I did it after the first season and it turned out that unit didn't turn out very well, so that's why I made sure I did. This is the second season that I'll be using it, and of course, if I have any problems, I will make a short now. You're able to make shorts. I'll make a short about it telling you if I'm having problems, so definitely subscribe. Think about that. It's not as pretty as the Frigidaire, but it works a hell of a lot better. I don't have to worry about stuff as much. To change the filter, all you have to do is pull on this right here, and then you pull out the filter, which is dirty because I haven't gotten a chance to do it. Don't like that one as much as I like the Frigidaire one. Kind of a pain in the butt to put in. That's to be expected. A lot of them are like that. I would have rathered a slide out one. It does the job. Let's take a look at some of the buttons on this unit. All right, so a quick look at the buttons. The power button to turn it on and off. Those standard, like, invisible buttons you gotta push on. It's like a little bit of impression. It's almost flat feeling. You got sleep mode. You can change the sleep mode on that. You can turn on and off the Wi-Fi. You can change the filter. You can go up and down, and you can go into which mode you want. And we'll get more into that into the app. You click on that. Fan speed, you could change that. And then it has a turbo mode, which really makes a difference. Really nice. Alright, so those are the buttons that are on that unit. Now, I did mention that this is smart and it does have an app. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you how loud it is in my living room. And I'm going to do it in 2 speeds. I'm going to do it in the regular speed, and then I'm going to do it in turbo. I'm going to do that through the app so you guys can hear the difference. This does work with your Google Home, and it does work with your Echo Alexa. I have one right next to me. I'm going to say, Alexa, turn on the living room air conditioner.
Okay.
And as you can see, it has everything lit up that it's actually trying to do. It has 62 degrees, it's an eco mode, fan speed is on high, and then we have a turbo mode as well. So this is eco mode right now, and this will turn on and off throughout the day to save power. And we're to turn this on to turbo mode now. Now this is turbo mode. And it does blow a lot more. I don't know if you guys could hear it. It got louder or not. But turbo mode definitely makes a difference, and you can hear it ramping up. Now we could turn down the fan. This is medium fan. This is low fan. I like to keep it on auto so it knows what to do when it needs to do it. It also came with a remote. Very basic. Flat buttons. But it works, and you can change the mode, turn it up and down, temperature, eco, and then you have the turbo in the middle, which I really like. One of the things I really like about this is it has a little plug in the back. I'm going to show you a picture of this, and you could drain the water. My past AC units, because I've been in this house for 15 years now, I have always had to drill a hole in them to clear out the water that builds up in them. This one actually has a hole in the back with a little plug. Really like that feature. Setting this up for Wi-Fi, really easy. Your Wi-Fi username and password is actually right on the side of the unit. You can set it up with the Wi-Fi, very easy, and go through the steps in the app. Not hard at all. The app is actually really easy to set up. Speaking of the app, let's go take a look at that right now. All right, so we're gonna go to the Smart HQ. That is the GE app that they're using. And it opens up, and you got My Shortcuts, Home, Away. I've never really used any of that, and there's all kinds of other stuff. I just click on the air conditioner right here, and if you wanted to add one, you could just click on the add, and then you pick which appliance. So it actually supports multiple ones, which is actually probably a good thing. So that way you know this will not expire. All right, so we're gonna go to the Smart Air Conditioner. And this is it right now. It is on. And the first thing you see is any energy usage. And it tells you how much energy you've used it. And I've only used it a couple days now. And it's showing you the 24th and the 25th. I've had it on most of the day today. So it is high. We have 3.6 kilowatts. And I do have to clean the filter. It tells you right here. And you just click on that when you want to clean it. You just click on that little button right there. It'll load up. So right now it's on energy save mode. We have several modes here. If you click on it, we have what temperature we want to put it at, and you can put it at whatever you want. I keep it at 64. And then we have turbo, cool, energy save mode, dry, fan, cool. I don't know what dry, I guess to dry out the room if it's wet in there. I guess it takes moisture out of the room. I like it on turbo cool. We could also change the fan too, but you got to change it back to energy saving mode, and then you could pick which one you want. We're going to put it on turbo cool, and that puts the temperature, and we'll just hit that. We'll set that. I like to do that during the day. Normally, when I'm not home, it's on energy saving mode. Down at the bottom, we got the home, we got control, automation, which I'll show you that in a second, exchanges, so you can set it up with Alexa or Google, convenience, there's other devices that you can control it with. I haven't played with any of that. And then services, so you can call the service department between these times. Let's go back to automation. Now I have a regular made automation. So let's say we wanted to add a new one. Let's say we wanted to add, so we click on the air conditioner. This must be a new feature because I don't remember this a home or away mode, but I'm just going to click on schedule, and we can click what time we want it to come on. So time of day, we want to turn it on, let's say 10 a.m. We'll do it Monday through Friday. There you go. And we want the temperature on cool. Oh, we got to make a nickname. We're going to put test. Test, done. And then we could just save this. So we save this. All right, so let's say we want it, to turn off. Go add a new one, air conditioner, schedule, Monday through Friday. Let's say we want it at 11 p.m. We want it to turn off. So we'll click on mode, and we want it to be off. Set. And now we'll make that Monday through Friday. And we'll call this test off. Okay, done. Save. Really easy, straightforward. There's your test off and on. You can click on them, you could disable them or delete them. I disabled mine. Disable it or enable it, or we could just go ahead and delete it because I don't need this. I have all my automation. And I'm in the season now where I don't have the automation set up. I just turn it on as I need it, and I just pay attention to the temperature because it's, you know, it's a little wacky right now, the temperature. But that's basically the app, guys. Very straightforward, very easy to use.
The app, it's pretty intuitive. It works really well. Kind of basic. I do like that it shows you the wattage. I think that's a really cool thing to see how much money you're spending on air conditioning. Maybe you can figure out times where you can save a little bit of money. Pros and cons. Pros, guys. I love the bigger unit. I like the fact that it could cool off this house. It's a lot better. The connectivity with the app is pretty instantaneous. It was a lot better than the other Frigidaire one that I had. I did notice that the connectivity was way better. The schedule. I absolutely love the schedule. I don't really have to worry about it. I set it and forget it. It comes on in the middle of the day while I'm not here and starts cooling off the house. By the time I'm home, it's nice and cold. I think I have it starting at like 2 o'clock, and then in the morning I have it turn off at 9 o'clock, and so it gives it a break. Integration with your Echo devices, I think it's great. I think it works pretty well. Cons. The biggest con is it's a lot bigger. And putting it in the window, it does take 2 people to do it. Me and my wife were doing it when you saw it in the beginning of this video. Another con is that filter. It's a pain in the butt to take in and out. I missed the Frigidaire's magnetic one. My overall thoughts, guys, it's a pretty good unit. It's pretty narrow all the way through. It's a decent size unit. It does a great job cooling, and it works with Google and your Alexa devices. I would love to see what the longevity of this machine is. This is my 2nd season of using it. Overall, guys, I've had a lot of good luck with G in the past. I have one in the wall back here before, and that lasted a good 10 years. So G's tend to last. I don't know about the newer ones. The Frigidaire, I only got like 4 years out of it until it was really giving me a hard time, and it wasn't enough to cool this area. It could have been the BTUs, but I've had an 800 BTU unit in here, and it used to do just fine, and I upgraded to the 10 because I just want to make sure that everything's going to stay cool. I'm trying to cool off my whole house, which is about 780 square feet, so I'm trying to cool off everything with this unit, and I also have one in the bedroom unit. I give it a solid 4 out of 5, guys. It's a really good unit. I think there's definitely room for improvement as far as getting the filter out. If you see this on sale, I would definitely pick it up. I think it's a good unit. GE usually is pretty good as far as air conditioners go. I've had a lot of luck with them. That's it for me, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And make sure you like and subscribe if this video helped you in any way. And if you enjoy my content, make sure you ring the bell so you get notified when I make a video. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Later, guys. Flat tire. It's over. That's it, guys. I mean, there's other videos up there, or if you want to do me a huge favor, click the like button, or subscribe button's even better.